Web forms often capture highly sensitive data, including PII and PHI. If left unprotected, these web forms can expose organizations to data breaches and compliance violations. Consider the following best practices to help ensure your web forms and the data they capture are secure. 1. Enforce form encryption. Require HTTPS and TLS for data in transit and AES 256 encryption for data at rest. Validate and sanitize all inputs to block injection attacks. 2. Add captcha and multi-factor authentication to prevent bot abuse and unauthorized access. In addition, consider behavioral analysis tools to detect other suspicious activities. 3. Control access with authentication. Use role-based access controls and single sign-on to limit exposure and simplify secure access. 4. Regularly test and review web forms and implement monitoring tools to flag anomalies in real time. 5. Collect only the data that's necessary, restrict access via least privilege, and enforce clear data retention policies. To learn more about protecting sensitive content uploaded into web forms, please visit kiteworks.com.